Landry says they are from Mechelen? 15 minutes from Brussels by train. Okay, cool. Now, maybe I'm going to show my ignorance here, but it feels like Belgium is a small country. It feels like most places in Belgium would be 15 minutes by train, right? I mean, you could probably get across the whole country driving in like half a day, right? I mean, I know it's not that big of a country, but maybe I'm showing my ignorance. Oh, that's right, Prince. You're our man in Birmingham. Okay, yeah. Yeah, okay, cool. Hope you're well out there. I have no idea what the temperature's out there like, so hopefully you're keeping cool out there. Abe says, I'm working as a data scientist intern at a startup. Okay, nice, nice. Is that like a summer thing? Or is that gonna go on into the school year? Let us know more about that, Abe. I'd like to hear more about that. And also, I mean, if you guys want to share like what you're working on too, you know, obviously only share what you can, right? Don't violate your client's privacy or anything like that. But I'm always curious to see what they put the interns on. I personally always found it a challenge to find appropriate projects for interns. So usually I would try to teach them something like agile development and keep them like on an agile schedule, you know, like on 2-week sprints. And that way, you know, they kind of felt a little bit more involved. But it's always difficult to integrate a summer intern into like your overall scheme of things, right? Because also, I mean, you want to make sure that they have a meaningful experience of it too, right? So it's always tricky to do that. So I always like hearing what interns are working on or what they're assigned to. It's hard to find that appropriate level of work, right? So many interns have varying skills. But yeah, but it's so good to see everyone. If you're joining us on Instagram, I see some more people on Instagram. Just let us know what city, state, province that you're from. Would love to hear about it. Prince says it's sunny here, 23 degrees Celsius, beautiful day. God,